So I had an engine light code. Give it off now because I just reloaded the tune using my RTD device right here. I basically reloaded the tune because for some reason my bank 1 fuel system was running too lean, right? So I don't know why it was doing that. So my RTD device light was red, right? I was trying to plug it out, plug it back in to make sure it's straight. So what I did was I checked for an update. And then once I checked for an update and it said it was on the latest version, the light went back to green, right? So I was like, since I'm already like on this thing, let me check the codes, right? So I checked the codes and I had a PBEEE, something like that code, which means that the car was running too lean. I looked up online and it said that usually when it's just one-sided and it runs too lean on a certain bank side, like on the side of the bank, means I have an exhaust leak before the upstream O2 sensor. But I looked, right? And of course, I didn't really get under the car for real, but I looked and listened for noises and reached my hand under there for air. I didn't see no leaks or nothing like that. You know, I didn't really check, but, you know, I checked. I didn't really see nothing. So I just reloaded the tune and now my lights are off, right? So I'm going to drive the car around. I'm going to run to the store, do some things, some healthcare items, see if there's anything wrong with the car right now, man. I catch y'all in the next clip, man. Hey, we just ran into some bikers, bro. They over here cutting up in traffic, man. They tough. Oh, shit. Yeah, they tough with it. Yeah, they tough with it. Ran into a biker crew, man. Man, listen to Kendrick Lamar, bro. They revving. Yeah. They tough. They tough with it. I got the valves closed right now. This is an all black Durango. He like pulled out to the side of me and he like downshifted. I heard the little downshift. Right now it's a lot of traffic. See you right there. Should follow his ass. Yeah, he got a nice little. Yeah, you heard him pop. But before I was doing this, I was trying to get my GoPro to turn on. This thing, the battery is so dead that it won't charge, bro. So I gotta like keep it here for a little minute, reset, and just hopefully it turns back on, bro. So what I was doing was data logging my car. You know what I'm saying? I was data logging, so I only use my phone to record. So I'm doing the data log from my phone because the RTD device is Bluetooth. You know what I'm saying? It's doing Bluetooth. You do it from your phone, and then I data log from my TD on that. I think any car can use this device, you know what I'm saying? And then you can upload your files for your car. I think this device is really good. It costs like, I don't know how much it costs. I gotta do some more research again, but this device is really good if you want to tune your car. Yo, gang, I just caught an R34 in traffic, bro. We just caught a Skyline in traffic, gang. Then there's an all black Mustang with a white stripe next to it. Oh, nah, that joint blue. That joint blue. My fault. Look like a little ego boost, though. Look at the sky. SKYLINE though. I gotta get every minute. Too bad my fucking GoPro is tweaking out. Look at this dude. We gotta pull up next to dude, bro. And it's right-hand drive. He tough with it. Whoa. Bro, y'all saw that truck, bro? Nah, letting all these niggas better sweating their ass off. Look at him, he cutting up. He going crazy. People going, oh, shit. Bro, what is going on, bro? Where he at? Where he at? Niggas going crazy. Niggas going crazy, bro. Hell nah. Yeah, the R34 behind me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm cruising with that man. Oh, I has 350. Oh, here, let's see. Hey. I'm pretty sweet with it. I'm not gonna lie, I might need to get the content. I need to get the content, Cat Weenie. Alright, that was fun, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta take an exit. I gotta take an exit now. Yo, that is so crazy that we just caught an R34 in traffic, dog. Make sure y'all like the video for that, man. I drive past my exit, so I gotta get on my phone now. The R34, it took my exit, bro. Yes, sir, that's right, sweet, boy. Hold up.
Hey, sounds sick, bro.
Hey, bro. Good looks, bro. Your joint's sweet, bro. Yeah. Bro, people was driving crazy on the highway, bro. About to crash and stuff. Yeah. People was swerving.
Yeah, the dude that likes this, give me a thumbs up and his speed up. Like, just do a little pull, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta push this car a little bit, you know?
Right. It be, you be having it sit? It be sitting?
What?
Your car?
Yeah.
Like, you don't drive it a lot?
I drive it sometimes, but, like, the roads around here, you always get stuck in traffic, so you don't get to, like,
yeah.
give it a little gas, like,
yeah.
see what it can do and stuff,
Yeah.
That's why I like to take it out around this time, because less traffic and
right.
the weather's been cooler,
Right, yeah, it is pretty good weather today.
Yeah.
You got a Instagram?
I just felt to accept that you not ain't good for anyone.